In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design banners for your Shopify store using Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand banner ready to publish, and you won't need any advanced design experience to make it look great. Let's start in Canva. Open Canva and use the search bar to look for Shopify banner or website banner. These search terms pull up ready-made sizes and layouts that work well for online stores. Scroll through the results and pick a free template that matches the vibe of your brand, whether that's minimal, bold, playful, or premium. When you find one you like, click Customize Template to open it on your canvas and get editing. Now it's time to customize your banner. Replace the placeholder text with your brand name, a promotion, or a short slogan. Keep the message concise so it's easy to read at a glance. Think one headline and, if needed, a short supporting line. Adjust the size and alignment of the text so your main message stands out, and make sure there's enough contrast between the text and the background for readability. Next, swap in your visuals. Upload your own product photos if you have them, or browse Canva's stock images for something that fits your theme. Choose high quality images with good lighting and plenty of space around the subject so your text doesn't feel crowded. Position your image so it leads the eye toward your message and keep the layout balanced. Match the colors and fonts to your branding. Update the color palette to your brand colors and choose fonts that align with your style. Consistency here makes your store feel trustworthy and cohesive. If the layout feels busy, simplify it by reducing extra elements or spacing things out. Aim for a clear focal point so visitors immediately understand the offer or message. When you're happy with the design, it's time to download. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PNG for a high quality image that stays crisp on modern screens. Download the file to your device and rename it something descriptive so you can find it easily later. Now head to Shopify, open your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. In the Theme Editor, add or select an image banner section. Upload the banner image you created in Canva. Adjust the banner height and layout if needed so it looks good on both desktop and mobile previews. When everything looks right, click Save to publish the banner on your store. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.